Assalamu alaikum. If your teeth have turned yellow, it is not necessarily just due to coffee or lack of brushing. People often think that yellowing teeth are merely a cosmetic issue, so they rely on whitening strips, toothpaste, and bleach. However, the real problem is not just external, it also stems from your stomach, liver, mineral deficiencies, dehydration, and inflammation in the body, all of which affect the actual health of your teeth. Teeth may appear strong and smooth on the surface, but they actually have tiny pores inside that absorb color and chemicals. When your saliva becomes acidic, stains and dirt adhere more easily, weakening your enamel, and superficial whitening alone would not suffice. Imagine if you could understand the true causes of dental health, you would not just have whiter teeth but also improved overall health. In this video, we will share simple natural methods to strengthen and whiten your teeth without eroding the enamel while maintaining internal balance in your body. If you would like to keep your teeth from turning yellow and stay healthy for long term, watch the entire video because we share information you might not have been aware of before. Listen carefully. The teeth may look strong and smooth on the surface, but they are quite thin and porous inside. These tiny pores easily absorb liquid and color, much like a sponge absorbs water. As a result, stains or food residues left on the teeth cannot be completely removed by merely cleaning the surface. Protecting the enamel and dentine of your teeth is crucial. When the outer layer weakens, stains adhere more easily and your teeth become more sensitive. It is essential to understand the porous nature of teeth. When this is understood, natural ways to strengthen and whiten teeth can be greatly improved compared to just surface level cleaning. Your saliva is not just for tasting and moistening food. It plays a crucial role in maintaining your dental health. When the pH balance of your saliva is proper, stains don't stick and enamel remains strong. But if your saliva becomes acidic, stains cling more easily, making teeth whitening a temporary solution. The most common cause of acidic saliva are weakness in your stomach and liver, deficiencies in minerals like calcium and magnesium, which help maintain strong enamel, lack of hydration that dries out and weakens teeth, and inflammation in the body, which weakens both your teeth and gums, leading to decay and damage. These internal problems work hand in hand to make teeth yellow, brittle, and sensitive. The true solution lies in taking care of your internal health and maintaining a balanced approach. When balance is preserved internally, your teeth will naturally remain white and strong, and your gums will stay healthy. Now let's find out the step-by-step solutions to keep our teeth white and healthy. Step 1. Baking soda plus activated charcoal. Start with using baking soda and activated charcoal, an easy and natural method to maintain the health of your teeth. Many people often use whitening strips or bleach, which only provide temporary teeth whitening. However, the real problem persists and the enamel becomes weak and brittle. For this, simply take a small pinch of baking soda and a bit of activated charcoal. Placing it on your toothbrush, brush gently for 60 to 90 seconds. Avoid brushing too hard as enamel is very delicate. This way, the baking soda neutralizes the acid on your teeth, strengthens the enamel, keeps gums healthy, and reduces stain adherence. Activated charcoal absorbs small stains, discoloration, and toxins without harming your teeth. The result is that your teeth remain naturally white and strong, with enamel intact and no damage or side effects. Remember, real dental health is not just about whitening. The true issue arises from internal health and the balance of the liver, stomach, and metabolism. This step strengthens the foundation of your teeth to keep them safe from stains, dullness, and discoloration, preserving their natural beauty and shine. Step 2. Oil pulling. The second step is oil pulling, or mouth cleaning using coconut oil, an effective and natural method for healthy teeth and gums. Most people think toothpaste and external cleaning are the sole sources of teeth whitening, but the truth lies in internal health, the microbial balance of the mouth, and the saliva pH. The mouth often accumulates harmful bacteria, unclean particles, and small debris that cause stains, gum damage, and bad breath. Oil pulling naturally helps combat these issues, strengthens gum, and maintain the saliva's pH balance. To do this, use a teaspoon of pure coconut oil, place it in your mouth, and swirl it gently as if gargling. Keep it in your mouth for at least 10 minutes, preferably up to 20 minutes. Make sure not to swallow the oil. Spit it out afterward and rinse your mouth with lukewarm water. Its benefits include reducing harmful bacteria, lowering gums, inflammation, strengthening gums, restoring saliva pH balance, and maintaining the natural shine of teeth without harming the enamel. It also preserves the mouth's microbiome balance. You don't need to do this daily, 2 to 3 times a week is enough. Overdoing it might cause stomach issues for some. Done correctly, both your teeth and gums will be healthy, sturdy, and naturally white, with reduced stains, improved brightness, and inner mouth balance. Step 3. Eat healthy and bitter foods. Third, include healthy and bitter foods in your diet that are crucial for your teeth and gums, helping to whiten and strengthen them. Add nutritious foods to your diet such as green leafy vegetables like spinach, bitter melon, mustard, greens, pumpkins, and spicy herbs like cilantro, mint, and tulsi. Drink lemon or lime water daily, ginger tea, unsweetened yogurt, cheese, walnuts, almonds, and egg with yolk. Meat and fish can also be included in moderation daily. These foods are rich in minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants that balance the pH of your saliva, strengthen your teeth, nourish your gums, and help reduce stains and redness. Moreover, these foods support the liver and metabolism, which are directly connected to the health of your teeth and gums. Also, you can combine apple cider vinegar with water and drink it through a straw before meals to keep saliva alkaline and to help prevent acid reflux and excess stomach acidity. Take care of your mineral and potassium intake, such as mineral water and a proper balance of salt and potassium in your meals. By regularly including healthy and bitter foods in your diet, your teeth will naturally become cleaner in color, your gums will become stronger, and stains and marks will be reduced. Your oral health will stay healthy and balanced both externally and internally. This step will strengthen the foundation of your dental and gum health. Step 4. Improve daily habits. Fourth, improve your daily habits that are crucial for the natural health and shine of your teeth. Diet and natural remedies are not enough if your daily habits are not correct because stains, redness, and gum weakness can return. Brush your teeth lightly every morning and evening and avoid applying too much pressure, as tooth enamel is sensitive. It is essential to use floss to remove food particles and plaque between your teeth. Use mouthwash to keep your mouth clean, but it is better if it is natural or herbal than chemical-based mouthwash. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily as it helps keep saliva fresh and diluted, reducing acidity and harmful bacteria. Chewing sugar-free gums or xylitol gums can also help because it stimulates the saliva and balances the pH in the mouth. By incorporating these simple daily habits into your routine, your teeth and gums will gain natural protection, the enamel will become stronger, the gums will stay healthy and vibrant, and stains and redness will be reduced, keeping the inside of your mouth healthy and balanced. Understand the true health of your mouth and teeth, and don't rely solely on whitening treatments or toothpaste. Remember, the color of your teeth, the strength of your gums, and the health of your mouth are not only dependent on external cleanliness, but also on balance, metabolism, liver health, saliva pH, and daily healthy habits. If you follow the previous steps, general brushing with baking soda and activated charcoal, oil pulling, healthy and better foods, and proper daily habits, your teeth will naturally become clean, your gums will be strong, stains and marks will reduce, the effect of acid and harmful bacteria will diminish, and the inside of your mouth will remain healthy and balanced. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to watch more. Have a nice day.